This is the Lone Crater YouTube. We hope this video helps.
You begin by assembling the Momcozy M5, bottle, flange, valve, and membrane. Once done, power the unit or plug in via USB so battery isn't a distraction. Position the flange, make sure the nipple is centered and the flange rim rests flat against your skin to create a vacuum. Start with a low suction setting, you'll feel a gentle rhythm. This gets milk flowing without discomfort. Continue for a minute to allow letdown, increase suction gradually if comfortable. Once letdown begins, switch to expression mode to extract effectively. You'll find massage mode useful for the first 1 to 3 minutes because it simulates baby's quick sucks and encourages milk ejection reflex. After that, make small increases in suction, one step at a time, and pause if you feel pinching. Alternate rhythm and strength as needed. That balance boosts output. Make sure sessions stay around 15 to 20 minutes per breast unless milk flow stops sooner. Then finish. To finish, lower suction to 0 and power off before removing the flange to avoid nipple trauma. Empty milk into storage containers and then disassemble all parts that contacted milk. Wash with warm soapy water, rinse, and air dry on a clean towel. Dry membranes fully before reassembly. If you lose suction or feel pain, reseat the flange and inspect the membrane and valve for wear or blockages. Switching to a different flange size often resolves seal issues quickly.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.